Hello everyone, Gambler Girl here. We are back doing some viewer wins. So this little session is going to be from Michael Wilson. Thank you so much, Michael, for sending me your links. Don't know what they are, haven't watched them. As always, I'm just going to watch them kind of live now as I do this video. So how many have we got? There's a few links. We will crack on and see what you've got. Okay, so first up is, Big Bass Amazon on 30p bet. Right then, let's see how well Michael does on a bit of Amazon. Oops, sorry, making a racket as well I am. Right then, what you got? Remove fish, free spins, extra fisherman, more spins, and the boot. Okay, rock and roll. Come on then, Barry Amazon. Sorry, no music on these fishing slots. Come on, Barry, catch some of these fish. Oh, where is he? There he is. Oh, with the waterfall. Oh, do you know what? I hadn't realised the waterfall comes in with fish there. On the others, it's kind of like it happens when there aren't any wins, isn't it? Right, £9 then. Off the mark at last. Oh, here we go. Now we're talking. Hopefully now we can get to the 10 extra spins. There we go. Oh, two of them and a waterfall again. Come on, big wins. Oh, that's nice. Lovely. 2 lots of £9. Happy with that, eh, for 30p. And already a little head start now on the 3x spins. So come on then, start at the 2x. Let's go. Right then. There he is. Nice. £3 and £4.50. £27 hit. Lovely stuff. 58.50. Right. What else are we going to get? Oh, right. Oh, only one more needed now with 8 spins. It's another £12. Nice. £70 look on 30p. One more. Come on, where are you? Oh, this is a great little bonus, so isn't it? 70 quid on 30p. Love it. Oh, there he is. Happy days. £12 and 3x up to now. Come on then. Still waiting to see somebody get up to like the 30s. Oh my gosh, can you imagine? Has anyone ever got to 50x? I've not seen one go that high. Does it even go past that? Who knows? Right, come on, Barry. We need to see you now. 3x. Come on. Where are you? Oh, he's wasted all of these spins now. Come on, Barry. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Come on. Need a few in a row here now. Okay, that's nice. £18. Hit the £100 mark on a 30p bet. Lovely. Oh, there he is again. That's nice. Another 18. Oh no, 27. Sorry, ignore me. Come on then. How many needed now? 2 more. Can you do it in 4 spins? Oh, come on. Is he coming back, guys? Is he coming back? Come on, let's get to 10x. Oh, need them now in the next 2 spins. Oh, you monkey. Is he going to bring 2 in at the end? Nah. 127.71 then on 30p. Not bad, Michael. Let's move on to your next link. Right, next up we have, what's it going to be? Oh, Big Bass Holden Spinner. Oh, lovely. Just the regular as well, not the megaways. Right, feature. The bet is 90 pence. Right, then. This is a new one. Nobody has sent me a link for this yet. So not a new one, if you know what I mean. A new one for these little sessions I'm doing. Anyway. So, hold and spinner. Free spin. Oh, look at that for a start. Oh, very nice. 2 lots in 1920. Happy days. The first spin. Oh, let's hope this goes nuts then. I've never seen anybody get 10x on this slot at all. Doesn't seem to be that popular, really. But let's hope that Michael does. There he is with a bazooka. It's pretty cool, that, isn't it? Come on. Oh, look at these. £6, £3. Very different, isn't it? The writing and everything on these. It's all a bit crammed together, the amounts. Another 16.20 up to 54. Only one more needed. There he is. Bazooka again. Happy days. Come on. Sounds wicked. And sorry I can't have this music on. It should give you the option to turn off the ambient music, but it doesn't. It's all or nothing on the replays. Right. More importantly, 10 extra spins coming up. Shame you've got to play these off on these older kind of slots, isn't it? Never mind. Come on then. Last spin. Oh, he came in as well. Happy days. 11.40. Right. Lovely then. 82.20 at the start of 2x now. Come on then. Yeah. Nice. Lovely. 14.40. That's what we like to see. Coming up to the £100 mark now. Go on. Oh. Come on, Barry. I haven't even got a name for this, Barry. Because I hardly ever play it. Barry Spinner, he is. Right. There he is. Little 8.40. Never mind. Only one more needed again now. Really hope you get there now. Come on. Oh, yes. Phew. Okay. You've hit the 3x wins. That would be nice. Right then. Can you make it to 10x? I've never seen it, you know. Not personally. Or a viewer win on yours, so... It's not looking great, is it? It's not looking promising. Oh, dear. Oh my gosh, you dead spinning all of these 3x. Oh, £1 blinking 20. 360. Last couple of spins. Oh, right, didn't make it. So 120.72 for Big Bass Holding Spinner. Right, next up, Michael was playing Big Bass Splash. Very much a favourite with you guys, old Splash. Pound bet then this was. See how we get on here then. Right, you're going to get them all? No, got the boot. So level 2, extra fish, extra berries. Not sure any of that's any good other than the level 2. Let's go. So, pound steak. Come on now. Oh, I like the look of that, you know. Well, £65 hit, double to 130, and the win line there is £155. Wow, What a catch that was. And then you get £2. My gosh, that was amazing. Come on, Barry. That's one of the best, isn't it? There he is again. Come on. £18. One more needed in 4 spins. Can you do it? £178 then so far. Come on, 3 spins. Rock and roll. Come on, don't do this now. Oh, no way. Last spin. Oh, didn't make it. Oh, Michael, what are you doing to us? £178 that win then. Let's move on to your next link. Okay, last one now then off Michael is Bigger Bass Blizzard Christmas Catch. So 72 pence bet, hooking up the fish for a bonus. Happy days, right? Let's see how far Michael got on this then. Look out for the max win fish. That would be nice, wouldn't it? Somebody show me a max win catch. Never seen it on these games. Come on then. Right, he's in. We're off the mark. 2 winning spins here. Happy days. Come on then. Oh, I thought he was going to do 3 in a row then. There he is. Right, one more then for the 2 extra spit. 2x, I meant to say. There we go. Still got 5 spins left yet. Come on, make it good. Catch these fish. Snowberry. Nice, £24 fish there. That's a good hit. Lovely stuff. Caught a big one. Can't do that with the blinking multis, can you? Oh, look at those. Lovely. Happy days. 1776. Halfway towards the next 3x now. Right, only now starting the 2x. Come on then. Surely you're going to make it to 3x from here. Come on. There he is. Happy days. Nice. 12.96 double. 25.92. Only one more needed. Be nice to get that early on now. Come on, Barry. Oh, look at that. 24 fish again. There he is. 3x. Here you go. Another 16.32. Right. Up to £99 now. That's lovely. 3 spins then. Come on. Let's start making your way up towards the 10s. No. Coming in? No. Okay. 3x about to start then. Come on then. Oh, come on, Barry. Come on. Where is he now? Barry, come on. Oh, with little blinking tiddlers, look. 5.76. Come on, 3 needed. Oh, dear me. Oh, there's some right teasers in this little session, wasn't there? Get into the 3x. Oh, Michael, I think you've been tucked up quite a few times here, mate. I gotta be honest. Look at that. End of story. Absolutely tucked you up on a few of these slots. Just getting to the 3x. I'm dying on you. But thank you for sending me in your links. I hope you all keep sending them in to me. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.